Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now I've got a package sent to me and I do know that this was from a lady called Elizabeth Fox and she is a fellow Scot. Thank you so much, Liz. I did get this. We're going to open this up and see what's in it. I'll do it carefully. It's all well packaged. Oh, we'll take this packet off and no doubt Muttley he's right at my feet and he'll be looking to play with the plastic bag. I'm going to try and get that out, cut it that way so we can get it out of that bag. Oh goodness, there we go. And I really think that we might be heading for another little mini lockdown, so people have been sending me yarn from all over the place, and it's really appreciated. Oh, look at that! That is so pretty. That is pretty. I'm just going to open that this way so I can get into it. Oh, look at that pink. That's pretty. I'll just open that. Get this open. And there we go. Oh my goodness, look at that pink. We've got to take that out first. Oh, look at that. It's a Stylecraft. Oh, look at that. It's double knitting and that pink is amazing. Muttley's going to love all these bags. Oh, that's soft. Oh, look at the colour of that. That's amazing. Oh, look at that. Are you up to see it as well, Nosy? Eh? I gave you a bag. Do you know what? I know that Liz has two dogs, and Muttley's been all over this bag since it got delivered. I think he can he's down in there. Look, I think he can smell. Can you smell Lizzie's dogs? You can smell her fur babies. Look at that. That is beautiful. It's 100 grams. The shade on it is Fiesta. Look at that. That's amazing. Amazing. The number on it is 1257, 1257, and it's called Fiesta. It's 100. Look at Molly. What you doing? What you doing? You're not having it? No, you don't get in the bag. I gave you a bag. Go away. I got him down here. Like, are you coming to see everybody? Up you come. Up. You're going to see everybody. See? Yeah. You going to say hello? Yeah, hello. He just wants a bag. He's not even saying hello to people. He's just like, give me it, give me it. No. Shh. Good boy, good boy, good boy. That is beautiful. Now, what's it got in it? It's 100 grams. 100 grams is what, how many meters is that? 300? Oh, it's 295 meters and it's 322 yards. That is beautiful. Look at that pink. Oh, I like that. I'm going to pop that up there. I'll pop this. There's another 3 balls of that. That is brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. I'm going to pop it there. Oh, look at this one. There's a lemon. Oh, this is an Aldi one. This is Aldi double knitting. This crochets up really well. It does. And it makes beautiful. I've made a lot of beautiful blankets with the Aldi double knitting and the one from B&M and Home Bargains as well. This is just a lemon one. So just a lemon one. It's a beautiful lemon one and it crochets up really well. You're not having the bag, Motley, no. It's really, really pretty. Now I'm going to show you this blanket. Now this one is already on my channel and this is called Any Which Way Up. This blanket, it's a Philip. I'm just dropping all that yarn all over the place. And that is made with Home Bargains yarn and it's very similar to this one. As you can see, it's very, very similar to that. It's the same thickness and it's really pretty. The other two balls are on the floor. That's Mully. That's Mully happy. That is brilliant. It really is. This is a cream colour. It's got cream on it. It's not lemon, but it looks lemon. It looks lemon. It's really pretty. I'm going to pop that into my other box. I've got a plastic box that's over behind me. It's actually just out of view. It's out of view just over there, so I'm just pushing it into that plastic box. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. That is so pretty. That's so pretty. Look at that. There. It says it's, I can't even pronounce that. Papatya. Papatya. Probably party time or something. It's from Turkey because it usually is a lot of them with that name on it. It's 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, 360 meters or 393 yards. Now, I tell people what the ounces and the yards are because a lot of people who watch my tutorials from the USA and other countries that there's a free pattern. It's not under there, so I take it you should go on their website or you do that little QWERTY code. You go on their website and they've got free patterns. That is beautiful. Look at that. That is so pretty. I'm very pretty, and it's enough to do. You're not getting any more back. He's back again. Look at that. He's back. There he is. You can see him in the shadows. We can see you sneaking there. We can see you. Yeah, we can see you, Muttley. You're not having no. he's, he's like, you've got too many bags, just give them to me. So I'm going to pop that over there where he can't get it this time. I'm not going to put it's in a bag, and if I put it in my plastic one, he'll just take it out. And we've got this. This is pretty. This is a Stylecraft yarn, and there's 300 grams. There's 3 balls. That is so pretty. I do have some Stylecraft. It's not as bright as that one, by the way. It's a darker red, but look at that. It's beautiful. This is an Aaron yarn. He's giving me his ball. Look at this. He's giving me his ball. You want to trade? I'm not giving. Look at his face. Look at his face. I'll throw it for you. He's always got to get in and that. No, you brought it back again. He's just brought it straight back. Right, let me finish this and then I'll play with you. That is pretty. This is an Aran yarn. That one's Aran as well. Oh, that one's double knitting. Do you know, there's not that much difference in the Stylecraft double knitting to their Aran. There's hardly any difference in it. There's hardly any difference in it at all. Colours are beautiful though. This is a chunky. I love chunky yarn. Chunky yarn is great for doing. Is it this side now? Chunky yarn is great for doing tutorials because it crochets up really quickly, and it's great where people can see quickly what it is that you're doing. And the colour of this is pomegranate. It's a pomegranate red. It's beautiful. That's lovely, Liz. Thank you so much. And I will use it. I know that you gave me a call and you told me that if I didn't need, if I couldn't use it, I could pass it on. But I will use it. Look at this one. This one is pretty. This is a double knit. I like the colour in this one. You can have that bag. There you go. You can have that one. Got my little stool here. Saves my back a little bit. This is beautiful. This is vintage peach. Look at the colours in these though. They're beautiful colours with Stylecraft. The Stylecraft, I think the Stylecraft, I've got about 30 or 40 different shades of yarn. And they've got double knit, they've got chunky. And I don't know if they do a double knit and then have the same colour in a chunky. I don't know. But that is so pretty and it crochets up really, really nice. And it's squishy, soft. It is soft, it's really soft. This one I said was vintage pomegranate, and it's 100 grams, and there's 3 of them. Thank you so much, Liz. This is amazing. It's amazing. And I definitely will. I hope I do you proud with it when I make something with it. I hope I do you proud, because I know that you are a fabulous crochet lady as well, and you have your little crochet clubs and things, and you teach other people too to crochet. Uh, I'll just have to try and live up to your expectations. I really will. But anyway, thank you so much. I really, really appreciate it. It's going to come in handy for me. It's brilliant. So thank you everyone for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, just click on that subscribe button. And if you click on that bell icon, YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. And believe you me, for next month, I've got lots. I've got a big stack of blankets that I've been working on that are down in there. And I'm going to keep you all busy, especially if we end up having one of those circuit breaker lockdowns that they keep talking about. And anyway, thank you again, Liz. Thank you so, so much. This is absolutely beautiful. I love that. That is absolutely amazing, that colour. Uh, with white. That is going to be amazing with a white. I'm sure I have some Stylecraft white, and it's going to be beautiful. So I've already got an idea for that. Actually, yep, I've got just sprung into my head there. With that and some white, I've got a great idea to show you how to do a combination blanket. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.